Okay, on today's episode of this is my Carry 1911. It's a Kimber custom shop. I believe it's called a Raptor. I'm going to do some finish work on it. It's a little beat up. It's probably my first carry gun. Very accurate, as accurate as a 5-inch easily. It's got a bull barrel. Very nice appointments. Went in and changed out the slide stop to black. I'm going to go ahead and I want to blacken the ambidextrous safety and the beaver tail, and then maybe redo the hammer and then whatever's worn off on the back sight, provided I can get my dots back. It's my first Cerakote project. I don't know if I can shoot this Cerakote in this temperature range, but we'll see what happens. I ordered this Cerakote starter kit from Amazon, but it comes from Cerakote. Okay, let's see what we got in the box. So the liquid's inside, very well packed. Standing right up is our Cerakote. This is the C version of this, C102, which means it's air dry and graphite black. So we've got our HVLP spray gun, very nice. And we have our hopper. And we have a funnel for straining the Cerakote, getting the lumps out, I guess. We have a tool kit, cleaning kit, and as many products are going to these days, they don't put instructions. They put a card with a QR code, and you go online and get a video or something like that. Anyway, so this all came with the kit. Very nice. Forgot what I paid, but it wasn't that much. Maybe $110 or something like that on Amazon. Anyway, we'll see how it goes.